Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G and this is Just Plain Tech. Today's video we're going to talk about Linux and its minimum and recommended requirements for that your computer should meet, okay? Let's get it. Okay, first I have one huge announcement. We now have merch available for purchase. Link will be in the description below, in the comments below, and in the bottom right hand corner of the channel banner, which will soon be updated, by the way. So, we're looking forward to buying a background, getting better lighting, and maybe doing a PC build guide video with the revenue we make from merch. So please consider buying a shirt, a hoodie, a mug, an iPhone, Android case, whatever, with the JPT logo on it or the Live Tech Talk logo on it, starting at just $15 for shirts, okay? So all of that supports the channel 100%. Please consider buying. Alright, compared to Windows, Linux has very little requirements. First, let's talk about Windows RAM. Windows requires 4 gigabytes of RAM as a bare minimum for, everyday usage and nice functionality, nice response time and everything. Guess how much it recommends? 8 entire gigabytes of recommended RAM. And let's take note that a lot of laptops especially have only 4 gigabytes of RAM. So Windows, that explains why it doesn't really run on everything. So 8 gigabytes of RAM, crazy. Let's talk about Linux. For example, let's go over Debian. Debian and most of its derivatives will only require a minimum of 512 teeny megabytes of RAM. That's amazing. And then 1 gigabyte of RAM for recommended performance. That's super amazing. Ubuntu version 16.04 and below will require only 1 gigabyte of RAM for recommended usage. However, 18.04 and up, they don't actually support 32-bit 18.04 and up. Check out this video for more information about what Linux distributions support 32-bit and what Linux distributions do not. But, yeah, check out that video up there. But, 18.04 and up require a recommended just 2 gigabytes of RAM. Now, that's nothing close to the 8 gigabytes of RAM that Windows demands. Right? Am I right? Right? Alright. A lot of rights, alright. Anyway, so Linux Mint, kind of the same as Debian, requires 1 gigabyte of RAM. However, Linux Mint 20 recommends 2 gigabytes of RAM since it's 64-bit only. So, let's talk about Slackware and CentOS, Red Hat, and Fedora and their derivatives. So, they would require only 1 gigabyte of RAM for recommended usage. That's Slackware and older versions of Fedora, Red Hat, and CentOS. However, newer versions of Fedora, Red Hat, and CentOS would require 2 gigabytes of RAM for recommended usage. So that's still not very high requirements. Now let's talk about hard drive space. Okay? Windows requires a whopping 70 gigabytes! That hogs your hard drive. Even if you have a terabyte, that's like a whole tenth of your hard drive taken up just to store Windows. That's crazy. Windows has way too high requirements. So, that's ridiculous. Guess how much Linux requires? Ubuntu, Debian, Linux Mint, and all of their derivatives only require a short 10 gigabytes for the operating system to be happy, while Slackware, CentOS, Fedora, Red Hat will require just 15 gigabytes of storage to make the system happy. So, those are very low system requirements to run Linux. Pretty much any computer can run it pretty quickly. So, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Please consider buying some merch. 100% of the revenue goes directly back to the channel, and it will help support us so we can make future fun projects, get better lighting, better cameras, and so on. Please consider supporting the channel. T-shirt prices starting at just $15, okay? And on, like, Black Friday, for example, there will be deals, so make sure to watch out for deals, too. And we'll have more shirt designs and limited editions on the way. Anyway, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time.